The Galaxy S23 series powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor is expected to break cover in February early next year. This and more in today's episode. Hello everyone, I'm your host Aman Rashid and you're watching Daily Fiber. Now before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. The Galaxy S22 series is at the tail end of its run, which means the S23 line is expected to launch very soon. But when can that happen? Well, according to a South Korean daily, the S23 line is expected to be launched by Samsung at its annual Unpacked event in the USA. And although reports were also suggesting that Samsung was planning to launch the S23 series at CES, but it looks like that is not happening. So currently 3 phones are expected to launch in the lineup: the S23, the S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra. And also do note the prices are going to be slightly expensive this time around in comparison to the launch prices of the Galaxy S22 series. Now officially Samsung hasn't confirmed anything regarding the specs and pricing or even the exact launch date, but what we do know is that rumor suggests that the S23 line will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and we also might get to see the mighty 200 megapixel camera in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now of course the phones will be launching at a tough time. Granted, there's a rising inflation going on right now, recession is also happening in the US. So considering the prices of the Galaxy S22 series at launch in India, Samsung had set it at 72,999 rupees. That was the starting price of the S22. So taking that in consideration, I think the Galaxy S23 line will start at a price of about 78,000 rupees in India. I think there's going to be a bump of 5,000 rupees in the prices of the S23 line. That is my hunch, but what do you think could be the price of the Galaxy S23 series whenever it launches in India? Let me know in the comments. OnePlus has officially announced that they are working on the OnePlus 11 smartphone and that it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, but what was not confirmed till now was the exact timeline of the launch. Well, new reports are suggesting that the OnePlus 11 could launch in India in the first half of the year. Now, I know that sounds vague, but for now, what we do know in the form of the rumors and speculations that the OnePlus 11 could come in 2 color variants, that is a matte black color variant and a glossy green, and these will be the global colors of the phone, and expect these colors to come to India as well. And apart from this, most of the phone's specifications have also leaked online. So according to rumors, the OnePlus 11 could feature a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED screen, a 120Hz refresh rate, 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, Oxygen OS 13 atop Android 13, a 5000 mAh battery and 100-watt fast charging. Fun fact, this year around, it's only going to be a single variant of the OnePlus 11, so no 11R, 11 Pro or 11RT or things like that. There's only going to be a single OnePlus 11, which I think makes it easier for the consumer to choose, which makes it easier for the company to market their product properly, and also makes my life easier as a reviewer. Elon Musk is mad at Apple. So the man has now accused Apple of withholding Twitter, like from blocking Twitter from the App Store without giving any reason. And he is also saying that Apple has stopped advertising on the social media platform. Now, Musk believes that Apple is threatening Twitter over content moderation demands, and following Elon Musk's tweets, his followers and everyone has been taking to the social media platform in support of the free speech. So of course, at the moment it is unknown, like allegedly, why is Apple even blocking Twitter from the App Store, or why isn't Apple advertising on the platform? No one knows that, but of course Musk believes that Apple does not want to support free speech. But also, just by the way, Apple is yet to comment on this matter officially, so that is also something that remains to be seen. And a fun fact, this is not the first time that Apple has confronted any app of blocking it from the App Store. In fact, if we look at the time when the US Capitol riots happened early last year, Apple removed the app Parler, which is a Twitter alternative. So that app was removed from the App Store. So let's see, where does this new Apple versus Twitter war lead to? After discontinuing its two businesses in the country, I'm talking about Amazon Food and Amazon Academy, the company is now planning to shut down its third business in India. I'm talking about Amazon's wholesale distribution business, and the last date of operation would be 29 December 2022. So in this business, Amazon used to buy wholesale goods from businesses and then used to distribute them to the local vendors in the country, that is the kirana shops, the pharmacies, the departmental stores. So this business used to operate in 3 cities in the country: Hubli, Mysuru and Bengaluru. But as I just said, it's going to shut down very soon. So of course, definitely US tech firms including Amazon are currently facing a tech crunch because of the recession. The economy is slowing down, and we have also seen mass layoffs happening at various tech firms like left, right and center in the US. So that is quite unfortunate, but looks like with this move, the effects of the US recession are also showing in the Indian market. And with that, we are done with the news, and now it is time for the special segment. But in today's episode, I'm not going to be doing the special segment. In fact, Ashri will be coming to this chair and talking about the app of the week. So on to you, Ashri.
Hey guys, it's Ashri, and Aman will not tell you the app of the week. I am here on Daily Fiiber and I will tell you the app of the week. Now I come across this craziest app I've ever used. This is called Replica. Now this app is based on artificial intelligence and it lets you create your AI companion. Now once you download it on your Android or iPhone, you can actually create your AI companion. You can name it, customize it the way you want, change its voice and even set a relationship status with it. So if you want the AI companion to be your friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife or even your brother or mentor, you can simply set the relationship status and the AI companion will talk to you in the similar manner. And what's so interesting and crazy about this app is the AI companion actually talks like a human being. Now most of the features are free to use in this app, but some features are limited to premium users. You can chat with the AI, which is free to use, and you can even bring the AI live with the AR feature, and you can even video call with the AI, but this feature is limited to premium users. Do try this crazy app and let us know in the comments below what do you think about this crazy AI companion. So that was today's episode of Daily Fiiber. Aman will catch you in the next episode, and I might also soon crash and tell you about some crazy apps very soon. I hope you liked this video. Do comment down below and hit that like button and keep following Fiiber.